What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to my brand new vlog. It's going to be a special once again because I got a mechanical keyboard. Oh, so Unmesh gifted me mechanical keyboards after a very long time because he said once you get good at coding, I'll get you mechanical keyboard. And yeah, I earned it. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए था जब since a very long time. I think 2 years. I gifted Unmesh Keychron last, I think in 2021, and now he gifted me this mechanical keyboard.
Turn it on.
I think ये होगा. इसके अंदर Bluetooth है और wait. Let me turn off the lights. Why I got this is because of this. Look at them, so pretty. And then इसका आवाज भी बहुत अच्छा है. You want to see? So mechanical keyboard is like, you know, the orgasmic आवाज. So let me show you like everything. पीछे सीरियल चल रहा है because तुम अगर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में हो और तुम्हारे घर पे अगर एक ग्रैंड मदर है तो हमेशा पीछे आवाज में सीरियल चलता होगा या तो उनका आवाज होगा. ये कीबोर्ड है एंड पेरू इज हर फेवरेट. एनीवेज दिस विंडो का जो की है दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द कमांड वन. एंड लुक एट दिस. सो आई शो यू समथिंग वेरी नाइस. ठीक है, लाइक लुक एट दिस.
Change the function, change the light.
एंड ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये वाले मतलब ये एक ही ऐसा नहीं है लाइट. देर आर डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. लाइक नाउ व्हेन आई चेंज द फंक्शन तो वो लाइट कुछ और हो जाएगा. उन्हें करके दे दिया.
Its function
and
FN and this.
And now I can change again. ठीक है, function and tab. No,
ये भी ले ले.
this is change 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, this one's my favorite,
ये तो सच में दिवाली.
5, 6, see.
Oh.
7,000 रुपए का क्या है. Then you have नहीं, इसका रियल प्राइस 7,000 नहीं है. How much is this for?
2,800.
This is only for 2,800. और उनमें को कीक्रॉन दिया था जब मैंने, that was for 7,000. Imagine now this is working exactly like same. I don't know why we got that.
No, Keychron is Keychron.
Then you have, see, if you ever want to buy a keyboard, I would always recommend this one. What is the name?
Portronics Hydra.
The name of this keyboard is Portronics Hydra, and we got it from Amazon. It costed Unmesh 2,800, and this is a gift to me after I learned. I earned this one, right? चलो ज़्यादा English हो गया. Okay, so after I got this, I think vlogs थोड़े कम आएंगे अभी. अब I think हफ्ते में एक ही vlog आएगा because I'll be most of the time coding. And yeah, okay, let's see you on another vlog next time.